Somebody my age usually starts having problems with their teeth, and mine started getting loose. I had periodontal. I went several times to the dentist where they went in and cleaned it and all that, and it come right back every time. And I had fairly good teeth, but I decided that I wanted to get these permanent ones put in, and I did, and I'm glad I did so. And they went, like I say, went over everything with me, told me exactly what's going to happen. And of course, I sat down in the chair, and of course, I don't know a lot of things what goes on because I was lit up a little bit. So they done great. So I felt younger, and of course, you know, I ain't a looker, but I was glad. I was always particular about my teeth, and I had good-looking teeth, but a little yellow and this and that. Of course, that went with age and everything, but thank God they have the modern things of nowadays of what they can do with your teeth. And that man did it for me, and I would do it again.